Hello guys, I told you guys yesterday in my previous video that once USMEME is out, like the video was benefits or sweet benefits of mining HOT, sweet benefits. So I said I was going to make a video once USMEME claiming is out, so which is out already. And you could see I did a 24-hour upgrade yesterday inside the video. So these are to claim it. So you click on storage, click on apps, then go to hotpad, click on open. Then the first benefit was you won. This is second benefit of mining hot is USMIN. So I'm going to click on explore. So right here, I was able to buy 125k USMIN with 5 hots. So I'm going to click on claim right now. So you can decide to read the rest of the about what the coin is about. You can decide to pause the video and read it on your own. So I don't want this video to be longer. All right. It's done claiming. As the claiming is absolutely free. No gas fee is required. USM claim to your account. You can see that right here. So let's go back and see what happens because I want to see how much this thing is currently worth. Okay. US meme is currently worth 74 US dollars. Let me remind you that this US meme I bought right here is from this HOTs that I I am currently still mining. You can see right here that the thing is still counting. You can see the numbers. So that I'm currently still mining that I used to buy this US meme. So what are you waiting for right here? So let me check the value if it will correspond. I think the system is overloading. That's why you're seeing that right there. Um, no, US meme, US meme to USDT. Hmm? You can do that on your own if you do have it. So for people that bought US meme with their HOTs, so this is how to claim, and you can decide to sell if you want to. All right. So and if you are not mining HOT right now, you see a link on the description of this video. Please ensure to do so and do watch other hot videos. And like I said, I like telling people the whole truth and nothing but the truth. If you want to mine hot right now, you need zero point 0.5 hot and 1 USDT. 0.5 hot and 0.5 hot and 1 USDT, which means it's less than $7. That's what you need. And this money that is needed is just to take away boot accounts to stop people from creating multiple accounts. So this money is not being removed from your account. As you can see right here, the one I deposited, they are still here. They are not being removed, so I can withdraw anytime I like. All right. But it's very essential to claim to put it there because so that you get some free, you're able to claim free because one of the criteria here you can see where did they have it? See, add near and cover gas. That's your claiming fee. 1 year equals to 2,000 claim. So they are not the money is not being removed from your account. You still have them there. So you just need that thing to be there. All right. So guys, do the right thing. Like, subscribe, share to your friends and family, even your enemies. And don't forget to follow. All right. So see you guys in my next video. Ciao.